I just sold this house yesterday and I made $20,000 more than I anticipated on this property. I'm gonna show you exactly how I did it, so stick around. Let's go. As you can see, our signature red door, of course. We do this for every single flip. Now, if you're wondering, well, how did you land this deal? Because we land a lot of these deals very consistently, month in, month out. With this particular property, it was a 10-month follow-up, okay? This lead came in through Google search, AKA search engine optimization. It was an internet lead, and the gentleman actually had this as a vacant property. He wasn't living in it. He wasn't renting it to anybody. It was just kind of sitting there. So he wanted to cash out, and what better people to call than us? We'll come in, we close fast, we give you all cash, no questions about it. We take the property in as is condition. As you can see, before I show you the finished product, take a look at the previous photo so you can just see what we were working with here initially. So we ended up spending more money than we anticipated on the renovation costs. We went way over the budget, but we knew that the busy street was kind of working against us, so we didn't want to cut any corners. We wanted to make sure that we made this property as appealing as possible, so we didn't leave any stone unturned. I mean, we fully renovated this thing, from the kitchen to the bathrooms to the bedrooms to the flooring. I mean, I'm talking the whole 9 yards. So as you can see, we painted the entire house inside and out. We got stainless steel appliances, right? Stainless steel sink. We got new cabinets. We got granite tops here, granite counters. Now, we never put the fridge in. We kind of just let the new homeowner do that. Saves us a little bit of money. And you know what? They get to decide what fridge they want to bring in here. But as you can see, the lighting, we went all out on the lighting, replaced every single thing in here. Now, this property is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,300 square feet. It's not a huge house, but the fact that it's 3-bedroom and 2 bathrooms, it makes it very appealing to a lot of families out there. And that's what really helped us sell this house very fast. Before we move forward, please subscribe to the channel. We're really trying to grow this thing. Thank you. I showed you the kitchen. Let's go into the guest bathroom here. As you can see, it's pretty brand new. Just about every single inch in here. From new toilet to new faucets, new cabinets, new mirrors, showers, I mean, everything. We didn't really go cheap on this for multiple reasons. We knew that busy road was kind of working against us, so we wanted to make it very appealing inside, and I think we got that accomplished. So guest bedrooms, right? Flooring, paint, closet doors, lighting. Let's go into the other one, same thing. I mean, as you can see, exactly the same thing. We got the flooring, we got the paint, we got fans, lighting, we got brand new closet doors here. Now let's take a look at the master, right? Which is a little weird. Watch this. Why is it a little weird? Because to get to the master, right? This floor plan is crazy. To get to the master, you got to go through the laundry room, right? I'm not a big fan of that, but it is what it is. Here's the master bedroom. As you can see, you come in through the laundry room. There's the garage, right? Here's the master bedroom. Got the barn door here. Here's the master closet. I can put that on for you guys. Is there a light in there somewhere? Yep, there it is. There's the master closet. Here's the master bathroom. As you can see, it's not as big as the guest restroom for some crazy reason. And as I mentioned earlier, it probably takes us about $4,000 to $6,000 to make a bathroom look good. The renovation cost is anywhere from $4,000 to $6,000, but it's always worth it. You always want to concentrate on kitchen and bathrooms all day long. I kind of like this open plan because more than likely the family or the homeowners are going to put like a nice table here, right? We got the cooking going on, we got the table, we got the kids here in the living room. And it's cool because you can kind of see out into the street. So that's going to be good for the parents if some of these kids are a little older and they want to just kind of sit around in the front of the yard there. Let's take a look at the backyard. It's a good sized backyard. Yeah. It's a good sized backyard, as you can see, and you know, it's pretty much a clean canvas. They can do whatever they please to do. They can grow grass back here, whatever they want to do with this backyard. You know, we don't know who's going to move in here just yet, but you know, they'll do whatever suits them best. Roof is in great condition, which helped us save some money, and the air conditioning unit is actually in good shape also, so that was very helpful. All right, so here are the numbers. We bought this property for $250,000. We put about $60,000 in renovation costs, and we thought we were gonna sell it for $395,000, but because we didn't cut corners, right, we made it look really shiny, we ended up selling it for $415,000, and we're gonna make $75,000 in net profit. Now, if you divide $75,000 by 10 months worth of follow-ups, that means that for every single month that we were following up on this deal, we were making $7,500. If I told you, hey man, you're gonna have to call this person for 10 straight months, but guess what? You're technically making $7,500 every single month that you're following up. Would you follow up then? And that's part of the problem. See, 45% of our deals come from following up. And there's a lot of companies out there, a lot of real estate investors out there that absolutely refuse to follow up on leads. I don't know why, but that's not us. I don't know if you know this, but statistically speaking, when it comes to any and all sales, it takes about the 8th to 12th touch to actually get the deal. So that alone should tell you something. Well, all right, listen, thank you guys for joining me today. I hope this video was either informative, educational, entertaining. If you feel that it is, do me a huge favor, share it with anybody who needs to watch this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so. We're really trying to grow this thing for you, okay? And don't forget to comment down below. I love to see you guys' comments and feedback. I'll see you soon.